नमस्कार दोस्तों, आपका स्वागत है माही रॉक्स टीवी में। आज हम बात करने जा रहे हैं दिल्ली के सीएम अरविंद केजरीवाल के बारे में, जिन्होंने दिल्ली में मंगलवार को प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस के दौरान कहा कि दिल्ली भारत की विभिन्न संस्कृति और भाषाओं का प्रतिनिधित्व करती है। मराठी अकादमी बनने के बाद दिल्ली सरकार को कोंकणी अकादमी शुरू करने पर गर्व है। ये अकादमियाँ पूरे भारत में मराठी और कोंकणी लोगों की है। हमारी संस्कृति का पोषण और संरक्षण हमारी सामूहिक जिम्मेदारी है। गाइस, देश और दुनिया की और खबरों को जानने के लिए हमारा चैनल माही रॉक्स प्लीज़ लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा। इसी तरह हम आपके लिए देश विदेश और की खबरें लेकर हाजिर होते रहेंगे। गाइस, अभी तक के लिए धन्यवाद।
First of all, I welcome all of you to my residence today, and it is really a pleasure, and I'm very happy to meet you. Delhi is the capital city of India, and Delhi is mini India. So we have people coming from all across the country: Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, East, Northeast, West Bengal, Bengalis, Gujarat, everywhere. And likewise we have people from Goa also who have come and settled in Delhi. And I'm so happy to learn that all of you Goans who have settled in Delhi have formed your own association of Goenkas. And as you said just now, in 2001 your organization started. It was inaugurated by Mr. Manohar Parrikar ji. So we set up Marathi Academy last year, and which has been running since then. And it was a demand of Konkani speaking people since then that a Konkani Academy should also be set up. And so in last few days we set up Konkani Academy also. And since the time we announced Konkani Academy, it has been received very well and everyone's very happy. I'm glad that all of you are very happy. I can see that on your faces. And now it is your academy. Please don't treat this as a government's academy. It is your academy. It should not be another government building or a government premise. You have to make it lively. Idea is that the Konkani culture should be spread and propagated to everyone. And likewise, we should learn from others' cultures. We should learn from Tamil culture, we should learn from Malayalam culture, we should learn from other cultures and languages, and we should propagate our language and culture to others. And that is how the integration is going to take place, and that is the beauty of our India, that it is we have such diverse languages and cultures. So I look forward that very soon, right now the announcement has been made of setting up this academy. Now very soon the office bearers and all will be announced, and if you have anyone in mind, you think that these people should be there, please let us know that these people should also be there on the board of the academy. And I look forward that all of you will participate very actively in all the programs, and you yourself will conduct all the programs, including Konkani food, Konkani drama, Konkani everything. You have to songs. Mr. Stanley was saying that he is a musician, so yeah, you can sing a song for us.